Wenzhou JINBANG Light Industry Machinery Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales. Professional in the production and sales of pharmaceutical, bioengineering machinery and equipment professional enterprises. The company mainly specializes in consulting, scheme design, and manufacturing. Budget on-site installation and after-sale maintenance of traditional Chinese medicine extraction equipment, concentration equipment, separation and purification equipment, alcohol recovery equipment, and drying equipment. The company now has a high-tech, high-quality professional staff team. At present, there are 28 senior and medium-level technical personnel, 4 guest professors, and more than 300 employees. High-tech enterprises have Class A2, Class 3 pressure vessel design qualification, D1, D2, Class 1 and 2 pressure vessel manufacturing qualification, GC2 pressure pipeline installation qualification, and EUCE certification is used for the manufacturing, and the manufacturing meets CMP, ASME standards. Since its establishment, the company has been widely supported by all walks of life. With the joint efforts of all employees, the company has made rapid development. JINBANG Machinery is now a famous brand with great influence in China, and it has been paid attention and affirmation by customers from both home and abroad. Adhering to the business philosophy of service first, quality first, the company has made the enterprise grow rapidly and has been widely recognized by the industry and has become a first-class brand pharmaceutical equipment manufacturing enterprise in China.